Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you may have already guessed from the title of the video, today I'm going to be installing Edward Richie's Sissy bar. So without wasting too much time, let's get to it. Alright, let's quickly unbox, see what we got. Alright, there we go. Bar. Alright, super good packing, as you can see. Alright, so I ordered the one with a little stand on the back, so you can throw a bag over and get it tightened up and go for a ride if you need to bring stuff with you. Alright, now there's a little bit of instructions, not that we really need it, and new set of bolts. Okay. Let's go ahead and install it. Today I have my two little helpers give me a quick hand at holding this. So the way Edward Richie bar is designed, it is designed to sit on the outside. So what I'm gonna have to do is get a quick get a heat gun and quickly remove the reflectors so I can get this thing put on. The two bolts, they require a T45 hex. All right. Alright, now that the reflectors are off, I'm just going to clean this tape off really quickly and then get the bolts off and put the bar on. Alright, quick note, I'm sure most of you have removed badges before. It's the same thing with the reflectors, badges is still the same tape. I didn't have a glue gun, which is basically a liquid that helps to get rid of that sticky residue. But there are many ways of doing this. Some people heat it up and roll it, and you can use alcohol, you can use, believe it or not, WD-30 does a really good job at this. So kind of combination of everything, whatever works for you. Try not to obviously scratch the paint. I mean, this paint is actually pretty good, but if you're talking about cars, paint is a lot thinner there. So try not to use anything sharp that you can, again, typically scratch up the paint. So soft towel and patience. New bar comes with longer bolts, so go ahead and use those. So that was a quick and easy install of Edward Richie Sissy bar. The quality of the bar is really nice. The fit and finish. I'm sure if you've heard of Edward Richie, you know he makes really good fabrications, really high quality Sissy bars for the bikes. So hopefully this video was useful for some of you. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.